Hi and welcome to Khatta Meeta stories. Let's make some mac and cheese today. In a pan, take some water and add some salt to it and let it boil. Add 3 cups of macaroni and let it cook for around 7 to 8 minutes. Once the pasta is done, remove from heat and strain excess water. For the sauce, to around 3 tablespoons of butter, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Incorporate well so that there are no lumps. Once the yellow color of butter slightly fades, add 2 cups of milk. Once the milk reaches a boil, add salt to taste and some pepper. Mix well. Add cheese of your choice to this mixture. I am adding 2 cheese slices and some grated mozzarella to it. Mix it well so that your sauce thickens. Into this, add in your pasta and coat it well. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and hit the subscribe button. Into a glass bowl, add your coated mac and cheese and then add some more cheese to it. Microwave this at 180 degrees Fahrenheit for around 15 to 20 minutes. Enjoy your mac and cheese.